What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best color printer for postcards. If you're also confused about choosing the right one for printing out some postcards and aesthetic images, this writing is just for you. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 color printer for postcards. Number 1. HP OfficeJet 3830 color printer for postcards. This wireless printer is designed for printing postcards, glossy photo papers, envelopes, plain papers, and so on. The quiet mode reduces the amount of noise while running. Capable of doing a copy, fax, AirPrint, wireless printing, etc. The output/input capacity is nearly 25 and 60 sheets. You can see everything on its stylish touchscreen display, 2.2 mono. It prints photos, documents, postcards, envelopes, and many more things. Comes at a printing speed of around 20 pages per minute. Number 2. Epson Expression Color Printer for Postcards. To get professional quality photos and postcards within minutes, you should pick up the Epson wireless printer. Suits a variety of papers from 4x6 inches to 13 to 19 inches. The 49 dBA makes it quiet during operation. The ultimate wired and wireless connectivity makes it quite friendly with iOS and Android operating systems. Inkjet technology with Ethernet networking system are included. Suitable for both iOS and Android operating systems. Number 3. Kodak Portable Color Printer for Postcards. If portability is your concern, then I'd say you should consider getting yourself this one from Kodak. Works pretty well with iOS, Android, and Bluetooth devices. The 3.45 pounds of weight makes it portable. The printing quality is stunning, and at the same time, it works really fast to get your job done within seconds. Offers a Kodak app for filtering, framing, and decorating stickers. For past technology to produce tons of postcards at once. Number 4. Canon Selphy 2235C001 color printer for postcards. This model from Canon is already one of the most popular choices amongst the users, as well as one of the best if not the best printer for postcards. Canon Print App 3 for connecting your smartphone and tablet. Water-resistant pictures with a resolution of 256 levels per color. Sleek design along with 2 different color options to catch your eyes. Portable design and wireless feature makes it super handy.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Number 5. HP M15W Color Printer for Postcards. The wireless capability allows you to print, access, and share some essential resources on a particular network. Compared to the traditional printers, it's almost 35% smaller. Creates a connection with iOS, Android, and Bluetooth devices. The output/input capacity is about 100 and 150 sheets, making it far better than the typical models. Automatic on-off technology to increase the printer's longevity. Capable of printing 19 pages within a minute.